Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Facebook Marketplace that isn't available. So the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Facebook app. And then once we're here, all we need to do is tap on the profile icon on the bottom right part of the screen. And then we go to settings and privacy here. And then we tap on settings. And then once we're here in settings, all we need to do is tap on the account center here, which is the first option. Tap on that. And then we go to personal details. And then we tap on your birthday. And then you make sure that you are above 18 years old. Because since if you are below 18 years old or a minor, well, in this case, you cannot access Facebook Marketplace because you need to be above 18 years old or legal age. Now, if you are still above 18 years old and still can access Facebook Marketplace, the next thing that you can do is go to the App Store. And then we search for Facebook. And then we make sure that the Facebook is up to date. And as you can see, mine isn't up to date. So I will update that later. But if you haven't been able to access Facebook Marketplace, this may be the reason. And after you update your Facebook and your Facebook Marketplace isn't available, the last thing that you can do is go back to Facebook. And then we go back to settings. Go back to your profile here. And then we go here to help and support above settings and privacy. We go to help and support. And then we report a problem. So it will say here, go back to where you saw the problem and share your phone. We'll go here to search, and then I will search for Marketplace. And then I will tap on search, and then I will shake my phone. And then right here, I will report a problem. And right here, I'll tap on include. And then right here, you just explain your problem. So I will just type in, I can't see Facebook Marketplace. And that is it. All you need to do is tap on send. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.